How much rejection does it take to succeed? I'm often asked by people, I'm looking for a job, but I got rejected a couple of times. What should I do? Listen, for me, to get my first book deal, it took 23 publishers to say no before the 23rd one told me about the 24th one, which was the Financial Times. I wrote to them and I got it. So lesson number one, takes a hell of a lot of rejection. Lesson number two, it's often the ones that reject you, which can still serve a useful purpose to tell you something about where you should go to. It's happened time and time again. When I wanted to go to Oxford, you know, I asked Merton College, the professor there. Actually, I wrote to every single professor, which course, which college should I do to ask for tips. The one at Merton said, apply to St. Anne's because they really will like you because of your particular circumstances. Similarly, to be a barrister, 100 rejection letters. Might have been 101 before I got 2 offers. Only 2 offers. Okay, but 100 rejection letters. If you've not had 20 rejections or 100 rejections, you've not even tried. Okay?